Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how to start your YouTube channel in 2019. So I've been having a lot of people ask me, Alicia, please teach me how to start my own YouTube channel. I really want to start one, and this is the video. So we are finally going to be diving into all of the most important things that you really need to know to start your channel in 2019. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come over and join the family. If you guys are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay angels, so you guys already know when I do my videos and they are very informative, I always start off by telling you guys to go get a pen and a piece of paper, go get your journal, go get whatever it is that you usually put all of your important stuff in. So obviously if you're watching this video right now, you want to start a YouTube channel, which is really exciting and it is an awesome opportunity. It's fun. I mean, I love YouTube. I know all of my YouTube sisters and stuff, they love YouTube too, but I do want to tell you guys that YouTube is not for everybody. The only way that you will know if YouTube is something for you is for you to give it a try. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is just start. Stop saying that you're going to do it and never doing it. Just start today. So the first tip that I'm going to tell you guys today is to choose your niche. You need to know what your channel is going to be about. If you want to be on YouTube, what kind of videos do you want to make? Like, when you see yourself on YouTube, what kind of content are you putting out? Do you want a beauty channel? Do you want a vlogging channel? Do you want makeup? Do you want to do DIYs? Are you crafty? Are you good at nail art? What is your channel going to be about? Before you start your channel, it's always best to know what your channel niche is going to be. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is to decide on your channel name. You want to make sure that with your channel name, that it is something that is easy for you to remember, is easier for your followers to remember, which is why I changed my channel name to Alicia Motley, because it's my name and I'm branding myself. So it's always cool to just use your name for a channel name, or you can choose a channel name that has something to do with your niche. But I just wanted to let you guys know that make sure your channel name is simple, easy, and people can remember it. That's the main thing. Okay, music. When it comes to music on YouTube, you want to make sure that you're using copyright-free music. So don't just go put Beyonce music in your video or any of these other artists, Nicki Minaj, because YouTube will get you for copyright. I want to tell you guys this starting off, because if you use copyrighted music and say your channel blows up and on this particular video you use copyrighted music, you can't get paid for that video. So just starting out, always think copyright free music. The description tab down below is going to be your best friend, because that's where I'm going to leave all the resources. I'll leave some resources down there for lighting, camera equipment, copyright free music options. I'll leave all that in the description bar below. So before you leave this video, make sure you go and hit up that description bar. Camera. Okay, so when it comes to a camera, of course you're going to need a camera to start a YouTube channel. So when it comes to a camera, you can use a camera phone. Starting out, we all have really good camera phones nowadays. So it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, it doesn't matter, because I have plenty of YouTube sisters that has a full-blown YouTube channel with Android phones, iPhones, whatever it is. If you guys are interested in more of a camera, then Sony has really good cameras. You can do like the A5100. The Sony A series are pretty good. And Canon makes amazing cameras. I personally use a Canon T5i and a Canon G7X, but these are very expensive cameras. Both of these cameras alone is like basically $2,000. So that's a lot of money to invest starting out, and I don't suggest that you invest that much money starting out. And do understand that starting your YouTube channel, you're not going to get paid right away. It takes a while to get paid, guys. So don't start off for the money, because you ain't gonna see no money in the beginning. Like, do it for the passion, for the fun, because it's something that you enjoy doing, because you're naturally a creator and you just want to create content. That's why you should be starting a YouTube channel. Also, when it comes to equipment, a tripod and a microphone is optional. It's up to you, but I'll leave some sources down below, but you do not need a tripod or a microphone starting out. Another thing that you guys want to invest in is the intro and the outro. or a end card. So you can have either outro or end card. So that is something that you want to invest in. And I have some pretty cool sisters over here on YouTube, and I'll make sure I'll link their information down below. I have my YouTube sister Uneak Tershai, she's on YouTube, and I have my YouTube sister MissMosstheBoss. They do like a lot of media stuff, so you can holler at them for your YouTube needs. Even Instagram and stuff like that. They do a lot of different things, so I'll make sure I leave their information down below if you guys need like a resource for an intro or outro or anything. They even help with banners and stuff like that, so check them out. Lighting is going to be very important, guys, because people need to see you. Like, they need to see you. Right now I'm actually using a ring light. So that's a really good option, and it's not expensive. You can find this on Amazon. I will leave all that information down below. Natural day lighting is your best option, and it's free. All you have to do is open up your window, and you want to make sure that the lighting is coming towards you. So you don't want to be like having the window behind you, like, and you're in front of the window. No, you need to be directly in front of that light source, and that light needs to be shining right on you. That's the best way and the free way to get good lighting. Backdrop, as you guys see here, I have a little backdrop going on, but it's very inexpensive. You could just go to like Walmart or something and get you like 2 yards of fabric. Go in the fabric section and pick out some really cool fabric. Here I have like a glittery sequence, and underneath it is like a really light pink silk fabric. So you can just pick whatever you want, what you like. Also, if you don't want to do fabric, you could just find like a white wall in your room, or some clean area, some clean corner where you kind of like, you know, put a little desk in the back or whatever. Like, you can just play around with it. The main thing is you want your background to be clean and neat. Like, keep it clean, keep it neat, because people will get distracted by the background. They'll start looking in the back of your window, what does she got going on back there? So just keep it cute. Editing software. Your editing software is very important, because obviously if you're filming a video, you need to be able to edit it, guys. So there's so many different options for editing. There's Movie Maker, there's Final Cut Pro, there's Cyberlink. There's so many different options. If you're filming from your phone, then just go to the app store and then put in like editing software or something, and you'll find different editors come up right through the app store. And if you're using a laptop, a computer, then do your research. Like I said, Cyberlink, Movie Maker, it just depends if you have like a Mac computer, or if you have a Windows computer, then you probably should just start with Movie Maker. It comes with like every laptop and it's free. So, and it's great for beginners. When you're starting out, you have no idea how to edit, so you just have to get into it and like get your feet wet. And last but not least, guys, you just want to decide what your first video is going to be. And after you decide what your video is going to be, you are good to go. Set up your camera, make sure you got your backdrop, make sure the lighting is facing you, and you're good to go. Like, it's nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, girl. If you got any more questions, please make sure you comment them down below. I have a how to start a YouTube channel series. I have a playlist. I will make sure I link the playlist down below, but go over and check out the playlist. Even if it says 2018, all of that stuff is still relevant. YouTube is growing, so I will be updating for 2019 more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start your YouTube channel, how to get subscribers, how to make money. I will be doing more videos for you guys, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something today, and hit that bell to turn on your notifications so you know when I upload. Just to let you guys know, I changed my YouTube schedule, so I will be uploading Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. That's when you guys can find me here over on YouTube. Other than that, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.